In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix there was a problem with loading data. Please check your internet connection and try again. Error on Revolute mobile app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are being told something went wrong with this explanation, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection, as this might be the reason Revolute is unable to fetch or load data. However, if you don't have any issue with your internet connection but you still get the same, check and then see if you have any VPN turned on your phone. This might be the major reason you are experiencing this. Turn it off or uninstall it temporarily and see if the app works. Also check if you have any recently installed security app, remove it from your phone and see if your app loads properly. However, if none of above works, then it's time to troubleshoot Revolute app. To do this, first go to your phone and we need to access Revolute app info page. To do that, just go to settings and from settings scroll down to apps. Under apps, look for this option called manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Revolute, and now if you tap on this, you'll be taken to Revolute app info page. Here, go to force stop and tap on OK to stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data and clear cache and OK, and finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone and now go to your Revolute app, tap on it to open, and once you log in, because you'll be logged out, so you'll have to log in afresh. Now once you log in, Revolute should be able to load all your data. However, if this still does not work, then most likely Revolute bank app might have experienced an internal error. For that, you need to try after some few minutes to log into your Revolute app, and now everything should be working perfectly. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.